Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a fantastic Easter break. Hope that you had a good break from the schoolwork, and also that you just had a great time with your family celebrating the sacrifice that Jesus made on the cross and the celebration with him rising again. I hope that you enjoyed your time. Hopefully you ate some good food and that you were able to worship at your home. And yeah, so the thing that I'm going to show you today is a little bit different. This is going to be an overview. I'm going to try to do a daily overview of the different things that you're going to be doing. I'll also be doing devotions and I'll be doing read alouds, but this is just something else for you so that we can touch base. So, see and be seen, our storyline, I hope that you are being seen and be seen and that you're seeing those different things. Our deep hope is to identify, imitate, and celebrate Christ's characteristics together. And I know we're doing that at home right now, but you can still do that even though we're in different places. So this week for math, you are going to be going and discovering three-dimensional figures. So rectangular prism, sphere, cone, cylinder, pyramid, cube, all of those different things. In our enrichment part where you can do extra things, then there is also a scavenger hunt that you can go on. So if I would go on a little scavenger hunt here in my house, first I found this and I would think, what shape is this? Oh, well, it's a rectangular prism. And then I found this candle and it is not exactly, but it is like a cylinder. So you can go on a hunt. Oh, I found one more. What is this? All right, so you can go on a hunt for those different objects throughout your house so that you can learn a little bit more about three-dimensional figures. All right, reading this week. You're going to read through, or for today, you're going to read through Bobo's Celebration in your treasures book on page 300 and then 301. It's going to be an introduction to vocabulary words for the week. You're going to complete page 211, which has to do with DGE and GE words. They all make the J sound. So you are going to fill in the words that go in the sentences. And then you're also going to do page 212, which is the vocabulary words. You're going to put the correct word next to the definition they give, and then you see those little lines over on the side, there's little lines. You're going to figure out which words, like which one would go first. So if I would look at all of our words, fetch, simmered, menu, assembled, devoured, forgetting. So think in ABC order, which one would go first? Assembled. So you would find where assembled was with the definitions, and then over on that little line next to it, you would put a 1 because that would be your first one, okay? Then on the bottom, number 7 and 8, then you would write 2 sentences using the words from the box. So maybe I use simmered for one and forgetting for the other one. Make sure you have capitals at the beginning and ending punctuation, ending marks at the end of your sentences. All right, for writing, you're going to work on an acrostic poem. An acrostic poem is words or phrases that describes a topic word. The topic word is written vertically, and each line of the poem starts with the letters of the topic word. There are examples in your learning packet, so make sure you look at that. But you also just did one for Bible, where it said servant, and then you had to come up with words or phrases to describe servant. Later this week, you're going to actually be writing an acrostic poem, and you can practice today if you want to. Try your name. Think about how you would describe yourself. So if I had Mrs. Vandekamp, I'd have a lot of different ones that I would have to do. Some of you would have short ones, and some of you would have longer ones. So if you want to do that, you may, but just at least pay attention and look over those acrostic poems so you get some examples. For phonics, so we're working on hard and soft C and G. I put on here hard C, the CA, CO, CU make the K sound. CE, CI, CY make the S sound. So anytime like scent, city, cycle, all of them are soft C. Cake, coat, cute, all of those are hard C. Same with hard G, GA, GO, GU, so gate, goat, and gut. And then soft G, G-E-G-I-G-Y, gem, gypsy for G-Y, and ginger, okay, for the next one. At the end of this, I'm going to have the phonics video, so you can watch along for the phonics video that we normally would watch in school, but you can watch along. The spelling, those are just your spelling words for the week, so make sure you practice those. And then final is our Bible memory and our Bible story. So Bible memory, Psalm 23, verses 1 through 3. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. So that's all you need to do this week. Then you're going to read the story about Pentecost when the Holy Spirit comes down, and it is awesome. It is fabulous. So I hope you enjoy that. So now I'm going to click over to our video so you can watch along. If I can get my sound going.
Today, we're going to be investigating the letters C and G. These letters are special because they contain two sounds. They're called hard and soft sounds. Hard C is the sound as in cat, and soft C is the sound S as in city. Hard G is the sound G as in goat, and soft G is the sound G as in Joe. There are some things you should know about what causes the letters C and G to act the way they do. Once we understand these key pieces of information, we will be able to predict which sound they're going to make. Let's start with the most important one. When they are followed by the vowel letters E, I, or Y, the letters C and G most often spell their soft sounds. Take a look at the words sit, city, and cycle. In each of those words, the C is making its soft sound S. That's because the C is followed by E, I, or Y. And in the words George, Draft, and Jim, the G is making its soft sound J. That's because the G is followed by E, I, or Y. When followed by any other vowel or consonant, the letters C and G spell hard sounds. Think about words like colt, cut, and clash. In each of these words, the letter C is making its hard sound. And in the words dash, goat, gun, and drive, the letter G is making its hard sound. Sight and G can make the hard sounds and soft sounds at the beginning of words and at the end of words. Sometimes we put the letter E after a C or G just to make it spell a soft sound. Think about words like prince, dance, fringe, and bulge. The E is there to make sure the C and G make their soft sound. The E does not spell its own vowel sound in these words. One other thing that's important to know is that no words in the English language end in the letter J. There are lots of words that end in the G sound, but no words end in the letter J. There are two ways of spelling J sound at the end of words, and they both contain the letters G, E. The trigraph TGE spells the J sound right after the shortcut sound, as in badge, pledge, and trudge. First we hear the shortcut sound, and then right after it, we hear the sound G. That's how we know the soft J is being spelled by the trigraph TGE in these words. The letter G is spelled only with J right after a long acronym, an architrave formula, or any other vowel. Or even the consonant formula, as in page, large, smooth, and hinge. Sometimes the letter Y can spell the short S